Welcome back to Help Me GMP. Let me hit you with a surprising stat. The pharmaceutical industry generates more greenhouse gases than the entire automotive industry. Shocking, right? And yet we rarely talk about it. But change is happening, quietly, systematically, and yes, even within the GMP regulated spaces. So why should we care? Because sustainability isn't just about corporate image anymore. It's about compliance, efficiency, and responsibility. So if you're working in an aseptic, production, QA, or even cleanroom design, the green conversation is starting to affect you. And in this video, we're breaking it down from a GMP point of view. So let's touch on the main points. Firstly, energy-hungry facilities are really under the spotlight. Let's start with the buildings. Manufacturing facilities, especially aseptic ones, consume a massive amount of energy. With 24/7 HVAC systems, controlled environments, constant pressure cascades, which are all vital, but also very expensive and very carbon heavy. So what's changing? We're seeing facilities move towards BREEAM or LEED certified buildings, with smart HVAC, LED lighting and solar arrays built into the design. In the UK, many new facilities are already factoring this into their footprint. Here's a tough one: single-use plastics. Gowning, syringes, wipes, vial caps, well, almost everything we touch in GMP production is single-use, and well, for good safety reasons as well. But innovators are pushing back. Some sites are trialling reusable cleanroom garments that maintain sterility through validated laundering cycles. Others are working with suppliers to introduce biodegradable packaging for things like buffer bags and overwraps. It's not perfect, but it's progress. Most staff will think, waste, well, that's for estates, or that's for waste contractors. But no, it starts on the cleanroom floor. Some GMP sites are implementing segregated waste streams, even within Grade D and Grade C cleanrooms. We're talking about different colour bins, different colour bags, and staff all having the training and signage to make it usable. And guess what? Sites doing this have seen cost reductions and carbon improvements at the same time. Pharma companies are now auditing suppliers, not just for GMP compliance, but for sustainability performance. How are solvents shipped? Are raw materials ethically sourced? What about water usage in the manufacturing of APIs? Things like green metrics are being written into quality agreements. It's no longer just about can you supply, it's about can you supply sustainably. When sites launch sustainability initiatives that feel real, like a recycling challenge or a carbon dashboard, staff engagement will go up. Why? Because it gives it meaning. People want to feel part of something bigger than just batch records and CAPAs. Want a practical starting point? Well, look at your autoclave cycles. Many sites are running overly long cycles based on historical settings, not actual load needs. A validated review of steam cycles has saved hundreds of hours of energy time annually on some sites. Small changes, but big gains. Why not try and take this back into your facility? So let's recap. Pharma is changing, but doing it within the limits of GMP. From greener buildings and cleaner supply chains to smarter waste and staff-led change, the green revolution is moving in. And you? Well, you can be part of it, no matter what role you play. If you found this video helpful, please do 3 quick things. Subscribe to Help Me GMP. We drop free training videos every week. Share this with a colleague who still thinks that pharma cannot go green. And why not drop us a comment below? What's your site doing to cut waste and reduce energy? Thanks for watching, and remember, compliance doesn't have to be confusing with Help Me GMP.